Snakes are an integral part of nature, which have to be conserved. Why snake in particular? This presentation will highlight some important facts and figures about snake conservation with a special reference to the situation in Sri Lanka. Overview and highlights of Sri Lankan snake fauna is important as an introduction to this topic. Then we will talk about why snake fauna has to be conserved and what is the role of snakes in our ecosystem. More importantly, we have to talk about the threats to Sri Lankan snake fauna for the implementation of the conservation strategies. Over 100 species of snakes have been discovered from Sri Lanka. Being an island in the tropical world, close as well as separated from Indian mainland, is a leading factor for rich snake fauna in Sri Lanka. Only minority of Sri Lankan snakes are venomous and only few species could harm people. 15 species of marine snakes have been described and all are considered as venomous. Rest of the snakes are considered as land or non-marine snakes. Snake species diversity is high in the wet zone rainforest. Wide range of climatic zones, vegetation and habitats have created high species diversity and abundance in number. Sri Lankan snakes belong into 11 snake families and 37 genera. 5 snake genera are endemic to Sri Lanka, which includes Aspidura, Balanophis, Cercaspis, Haplocercus and Pseudodiplops. Out of all 105 snake species, 50 are endemic to Sri Lanka. This highlights the importance of Sri Lankan snake fauna. The table summarizes the distribution of species among various families and genera in Sri Lanka. Out of 105 snake species, 50 are endemic, which is an important figure describing the unique biodiversity value of Sri Lanka. 16 species out of total 17 Europeltid snakes, 7 out of 9 Diplopid snakes, 4 out of 7 vipers, 18 out of 43 colubrid snakes are endemic. This is one of the important reasons for conservation of Sri Lankan snake fauna. Why conservation of snake is important? What is the role of snakes as a part of our ecosystem? Snakes are predators. Snakes depend on many other wide range of animals including fish, rodents, birds, snails, mammals and other snakes. Therefore, snakes are important members of our natural food chains and networks which keep the balance in our ecosystem. Snakes play a key role in agriculture. Rats and mice are abundant around the field during the harvesting season. Snakes depend on the rats and mice, taking the rodent population under control. Otherwise, the damage to crops could be immense. Snakes are prey or food for some other animals including eagles, vultures, peacocks and other prey birds. This is also important to keep the food chain and networks of the ecosystem in balance. What are the threats to Sri Lankan snake fauna? Most of the threats are formulated by the activities of humans. Many people believe that all snakes are deadly venomous and dangerous. Based on this belief, snakes are killed by humans. But most of the time, even non-venomous snakes are killed due to this assumption. As all other reptiles, snakes cannot regulate their body temperature. Therefore, interior temperature of the snakes depend on the external temperature in the environment. Many snakes prefer warm places in the cold night to keep their body temperature in optimum level. That is why snakes come to the tarry roads during the night. Vehicle runover is another significant threat to snake fauna. Many snakes are killed by the vehicles. Fires, including natural and man-made, destroy all natural habitats of snakes. As snakes are slowly moving animals, there is no escape from the bushfires. Predatory domestic animals are also considered as a threat to our snake fauna. Cats and dogs are the main predatory animals which frequently attack snakes around human habitats. Deforestation has a major impact on biodiversity. As in most of the other countries, Sri Lankan forest cover is also decreasing with time. Loss of habitats have a direct impact on snake fauna. Some rainforest snake species are only found in a very limited geographical distribution. Some Europeltid snakes are found in special soil type in a particular moisture. Loss of natural water resources and soil moisture have direct impact on their loss of microhabitats. Many additional threats are found towards snake fauna in other countries. Fortunately, these problems are not seen in Sri Lanka. Some Eastern Asian countries consider snake as a source of meat and commonly used as a staple food item. Snake skins have commercial value and are used as a raw material for handbags, wallets, and other manufacturing process. Pythons are frequently vulnerable to obtain snake skins. Some Eastern Asian countries consume the content of snake gallbladder as a medicine. All above various reasons end up in a destroying snake fauna in the world. A study was conducted to explore the roadkill snake in Sri Lanka. Authors have investigated the number and the species of snake killed by runover vehicles at roads in the Peradeniya University. 171 snakes were killed during a period of 2 years and 19 species of snake were found, including 9 endemic species. Misidentification of some non-venomous snakes as highly venomous snakes is a leading cause for snakes killed by humans. Many non-venomous snakes appear as some highly venomous snakes by their color as a result of evolution. Similar color patterns of highly venomous kraits and non-venomous wolf snakes, Russell's viper, and baby python are good examples. Public education is the key to conservation. This is very important for the people who are frequently in contact with snakes during their agricultural activities. Ability of snake identification and differentiation of venomous and non-venomous snakes will help to rescue some important snake in the environment. Educating the school children about the importance of snakes and including information in their textbooks is a way to change the attitude of the people. Tight regulation of Fauna and Flora Act will protect the forests and habitats for humans. Conservation of environment in general have a great impact on conserving snakes. Sri Lankan snake fauna is unique and ecologically invaluable. Snakes play a key role in maintaining balance in ecosystem. Human activity is the main threat to Sri Lankan snake fauna, and education plays a key role in conservation of snakes. This concludes this presentation, and thank you.